Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Maulana Moran Ibrahim and back again. I'm here this time to record a video, specifically an IT tutorial video on how to make an app for beginners in a software or in a website called Kodular. So there's the website link right here is kodular.io, and if you type that link in, you will go to the home page and you will see two buttons. There's create apps button and see more. What we want to do for the next step is click the create apps button, and then that button will lead you to another page, which is the creator page, the Kodular creator. As you can see in my Kodular creator page, there's already a lot of projects that I've done, but for you guys, if you've just uh, logged in, first you need to log in first, of course, and then if you done logging into your Kodular creator account, next you need to create project. So for today's IT tutorial is about how to make a name card app, a pretty simple app, which is also my first app for beginners. So just name it name card app IT tutorial, and then click next. And then this is your app name. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it name card for the time being. And you don't need to change the theme. Default is okay. Android 5.0.5.0.2 API 21. And package name you don't need to change that. And then yeah, then click finish. Load in, and here you go. You're now in the Kodular Creator app. There's a lot of components here, a lot of settings on the right, a lot of components on the left. So and there's a lot of screen. You can add a screen, you can copy screen. There's a lot of option in the Kodular Creator page. Firstly, what we want to do is to change the phone to become Samsung Galaxy S9. So it's more bigger. The space is a lot more wider. And then for to change this name, we want to change it to the name card. So you can just click the screen one over here and then change the title to name card, like so. After that, now we're gonna start inputting or drag and drop the components that we need for this app. The first that we need is a card view, not a dynamic one, the normal one, and put it right in. And to make the card view in the middle of the screen, you need to set the layout, the align horizontal and align vertical of screen one. So we can change align horizontal to center. So as you can see, it's centered now, and align vertical also to center. So the card view is right in the middle of the screen. After that, we want to change the size. Uh, so the size for this card view, the size that we need is 70% for the height and 90% for the width. So something like this. And if you want to change, you could change the color of the background so it's not contrast. Not the card view, sorry. The color of the background for the screen. Change it into whatever you want. I'm not forcing you to use any color. It can be creative as you can, but for me, I'm just gonna use the color blue. Maybe around like this. Then You can also set the corner radius or the edge so it's a lot more smoother. You can increase it, for example 10, or increase it a little bit more, 25. It's up to you. And then so this basically the card. So this is where we will put our information about ourselves, our name, our status, our birthday, and stuff like that. And in the card view, you can also put a lot more component inside the card view. For example, you can put a button inside, or you can put a checkbox. So it's another option to where you can import your components. I'm just gonna delete this. So first thing that we need is an image. Uh, and don't forget to align the card view as well to align horizontal center and vertical center as well. And for the image, you can upload your file or your picture here. So for this image, which is going to be our icon profile, so we can just upload our profile here. Maybe I will choose uh, um, maybe this one. So it's uploading right now. It will take a little while. Hold on. There you go. Then you just select your image, and don't forget to set the size as well. So for example, to 100 pixels and 100 pixel, so it's like that. But since this icon is square, and because we want it to be a circle icon, so that means you need to edit your picture first in a image editing software, for example like Figma or something like that. So if I just find icon of my circle icon of myself, for example this one, I'll upload it into the Kodular creator. There you go. So this is the result that we want. We want an icon, a circle icon for our profile icon. So before you make this Kodular creator project, first you need to make your icon first. Maybe you can edit it in Figma or Canva or any editing image editing software. And after that, we're going to continue by making using the space component. So there's a space so that you can make a space between every component. You can set the height as well. So maybe it can be 2%. And then after that, we're gonna start making the text for our names. So you can just put in text box, and it's not text, sorry, it's label. So then drag it in. You can edit the label of, you can edit text, change it to your name. For example, me, I wanna Ibrahim. Then you can, the width can be fill parent, and don't forget to change the text alignment into center. You can make the text bold, italic, you can do whatever you want. You can change the font size as well, 25, and you can change the color if you want. So there's my name. So after that, you can duplicate this space by right clicking it and then drag it below the below your name. And then now is for we're gonna start making your status. So to make the status, you can duplicate your name, the label for your name, then put it below the space that we just made. And maybe you can change the size a little bit smaller than the label for your name, maybe 20. And you can change the color as well, maybe a little bit more darker. And now maybe you can change it into italic. And for the text is your status. So my status right now is a student of IDN or the school. That is my status. You can change. You can input your status with your status right now. I'm gonna change the size to 15, so it's more smaller. And you can change the space maybe into 1%, like so. After that, we're gonna make our birth date and our contact. So for the birth date, first you need to add a horizontal arrangement. For this horizontal arrangement, you can input components inside of it. So for example, you can input a label inside the horizontal arrangement. You can also input space as well inside it. You can also input an image like so. And for the horizontal arrangement, the width is going to be fill parent and the alignment is going to be center as well. So center and then center. After that, so this is going to be our birthday uh, information. So for the image, we're going to upload an image, an icon of a birthday cake to for the birthday part of the application. I'll try to find it. There it is. This is the birthday button. You can upload it, the picture. So that's like that. As you can see, it's like a calendar and inside a birthday cake inside a calendar. And then you can change the text into your birthday. For me, it's Bali 6 June 2008. You can full width, maybe 20%, 25, yeah, like that. And you can maybe making it italic, and that's done for the uh, information of your birthday. You can add another space below. Oops, that's wrong. Oh no, wait. Oh, this one. So you can duplicate this horizontal arrangement and you can add another space between all of the components, and duplicate again, and below this is going to be the your contact. So input your phone number here. Maybe for me it is plus 537. And for the icon, we need to input our icon for like a contact icon or a telephone. So like this, the contact button, then select contact button. So it's gonna be like that. And then after that, now it's gonna import our projects. So since I am a student, of course I have a lot of projects. I'm going, and in this name card app, I'm going to share how many projects that I've done, how many achievements that I've achieved, and uh, how many books that I've written. So you can just duplicate the horizontal arrangement, then duplicate the space. You can delete the label, delete, and delete the image as well. And then for the information of your projects, we need to add a vertical arrangement. Then you can
The question how you in Canva, then you
duplicate the vertical arrangement, put one between the space and put one on the right side of the space. So like that. Maybe you can change the size into 50%, maybe not 50%, like 100 px. This one as well. Don't forget to change this already. You can change the width into like 1% as well. You can change into 1%. And then for the vertical arrangement, don't forget to change the alignment to center as well. Like so. Now we can import our stuff inside the vertical arrangement. So what we need is a label for each, and then you can type it in. The first one is our projects. So you can make it bold. Then after that, we need an image. Then put the image below the projects. Actually, it's not an image. Sorry, it's a it's another label. Not image label. It's label. Put it below the project text, and change the text into a number. For example, I've done 46 projects in total. You can change the size as well, 30, like that. You can add a space as well between, so it's not that close to each other. Maybe the height can be 3%, or maybe 1%. Then just do the same for the other vertical arrangement. So again, label, type in, for the next one is uh, achievement, and font italic, font bold, and then add another space, then change the height to 2%, actually 1%. Then add another label, maybe change the text to 30, change the text into, I've achieved 11 achievements so far in my IDN years. And then the last one is our achievements books, not books, label. Then like so, change the text into books, space, change the height into 1%, and then lastly is another label, and then the size, font size 30, bold, change the text into 2 because I've only written 2 books so far in IDN. So that's pretty much it for the name card application in Kodular. It's pretty simple. It's not really that hard. You can customize the colors yourself, and be creative on your own to customize the colors. Maybe that's all for my IT tutorial on how to make a name card application in Kodular Creator .io. And I really hope you enjoy it. I really hope it's helpful for you. And thank you very much for watching. Maybe this is the last thing I can say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.